Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did end up making a nice little higher low and pushing up. We got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. I would expect this to be an ABC pullback, mostly because I am still very bearish on the very high time frames. So anything I see on the shorter time frames, I'm definitely looking at as a possible pullback to the higher time frame downtrend. So if it's going to make a pullback to the whole move downwards, it probably will. I would expect to see at least a 38 or a 50% pullback, maybe something like this. We have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow for the US, so hopefully what happens is it sets itself up for a nice sorting opportunity tomorrow at one of these higher Fibonacci levels, hopefully for the continuation of the daily time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.